Hey everyone, stop and take a minute with me. I want to talk about fall. Fall is in the air, and what do you need to do with your hair? So, now that it's fall and the air is a little cooler and there's less humidity, you can expect to see more dryness in your hair and your scalp. Along with dryness, you can maybe experience more frizz, scalp irritation, and dullness. Sometimes seasonal changes also triggers hair shedding. So what can you do to prepare your hair for fall? Definitely do more deep conditioning. You want to use a moisturizing, penetrating deep conditioner. Be sure to keep your scalp moisturized. A product like my follicle activator oil is not only an enhanced growth oil, which help feed the follicles, it's also going to dress your scalp and hair as well. Now is also a great time to wear hats and scarves. Now, be mindful of not wearing cotton scarves or cotton type knit hats. What that does is going to absorb any moisture that you put in your hair. When you put cotton on top of it, it's going to absorb that. So a satin scarf is always a better choice. During this time, you may want to avoid heat styling or do less heat styling. The best time to heat style your hair is after a full shampoo and condition. You also want to use products that have humectants in there. It's going to pull moisture out of the air into your hair. And my products have enriched humectants in there as well. So once again, the follicle activator oil is going to nourish your follicles and protect your hair and your scalp. Thanks to its antioxidants ingredients like aloe vera and grapeseed oil. My hemp seed shampoo and conditioner is perfect for this time of year. It is going to give your hair all the moisturizing it needs. It has an abundance of moisturizers in there. It's highly concentrated and it's premium. So I suggest you get ahead of this season for fall and winter. Protect your hair and scalp with products that actually works. I invite you to take a look at our Ravenel products. It's on my website, www.ravenel.com, and Amazon under Ravenel products.